To set up app timers on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to settings. Over here we need to scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And now here you should be able to find app timers. So if you didn't set up anything yet, then you will have some example uses, example apps that you can include in the timer. So you can press set time over here, but you can also tap on the app timers text in order to proceed, and we can set up our first timer. We can set up the name. I'm just gonna set up a short name over here. Then we can tap on this section here where we have tap to select item, and we can select either a category of apps, so for example audio over here, or specific app. So I'm gonna use the whole category over here, so all audio apps I can include in this specific timer. So if I try to use any of these apps, then the limit will be shared between these apps. Then let's press done in the bottom right corner. We can also add a schedule on which times of the week the timer should work. And whoops, I just cancelled by accident. So let's get back quickly. Let's select audio, there we go. And then if you add schedule, then here you should also be able to, there we go. I tried to hide the keyboard. So you should be able to select the timer. So let's say I'm gonna set up 1 hour and I'm gonna press save. And now I have 1 hour left for these apps that I included. I can tap on the timer in order to find details. Of course, I can still customize it, but this is how it works. So since I added audio apps, so Spotify and YouTube Music, if I use Spotify for like half an hour, then I will have half an hour left for any audio app that was included there. So also for YouTube Music in this example. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.